Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car detailing brushes available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the Chemical Guys Goat Boar's Hair Detailing Brush. This Chemical Guys Goat Boar's Hair Detailing Brush is a stunning item, right from its tough construction to its softness, which is suitable for all sorts of materials. While the brush can appear like it's too soft and delicate, however, it's efficient. This means it can get the right balance of performing a thorough cleaning without causing any scratches to your precious possessions. It is constructed with a plastic handle and soft boar's hair bristles. This is an auto-detailing brush made to last for many times. You'll love the product so much that the only thing you'll have to worry about is the limitation of it being available in only one size. Its versatility is one of the most important characteristics of this brush, and it's the kind of cleaner that can use inside and outside of your vehicle. Near the edge of the brush, there is an opening that permits it to be fixed for quick access whenever you require it. Moving up at number 2 is the Proper Detailing Natural Boar's Hair Car Detailing Brush Set. If you purchase the Proper Detailing Company Natural Boar's Hair Car Detailing Brush Set, you will receive 3 brushes that are made to last. Made of top quality materials, this set is more than the basic brushes. They're created to be professional quality, which means they're able to be used every day without deteriorating or wearing out. Each brush has a sturdy handle and natural boar's hair bristles that are tightly packed and comfortable on any surface. There's no trace of metal within these brushes, meaning you won't need to worry about unintentional scratching or marring. When you use these detailing brushes for work, you'll find they don't shed and are sturdy enough to clean out debris and dirt. As time passes and you use them for a long time, the brushes will show signs of wear. In the course of use, the bristle can be brittle and swell, which could affect the ability of your brush to reach those crevices quickly. At number 3 on our list is the Carrand Vent and Crevice Detailing Brush Set. Are you looking for car detailing brushes that will do more than simply clean dust and dirt? This Carrand Vent, and Crevice Detailing Brush Set have you covered. The 3-piece set comes with diverse tools for various tasks. The first is the dual-sided vent louver detailer. Then, you'll have a crevice and dust cleaning brush. In addition, you will have a seam detailer and vent. Each tool is capable of handling specific jobs, allowing you to focus your work in detail to the items you're dealing with. This set is especially suitable for dashboards of cars, since these tools can deal with the vents, the tiny crevices in touchscreens, as well as get into seams and other small spaces with ease. Furthermore, they aren't restricted to the interior of your car because they can be utilized in the home too. However, there are some areas where these tools can be enhanced. The brushes are made from synthetic bristles, which can be harsh for delicate surfaces, which is why you'll need to be cautious when using them. Because the tools used to clean your car are made of plastic, it is possible for them to break. At number 4 is the SPTA Car Detailing Brush Kit. If you're planning to equip yourself with an entire detailing kit but don't have the money to pay much for it, you can get the SPTA Car Detailing Brush Kit as an ideal choice. With a low cost and a range of brushes that come in a variety of sizes, it's a kit that will provide for virtually every need. The brushes are made of synthetic bristles and plastic handles that are lightweight and gentle on the surface to avoid scratching or damage during your work. To prolong the life of each brush's bristles are encased in a chemical-resistant epoxy before being joined to the tapered handles. From the air vents in your dashboard and even the wheels of your car, these brushes can be used in a variety of crevices, cracks, and places. But there's one issue that could be a problem that could arise with the brushes contained in this kit. Despite they're described as having bristles, boar's horns with artificial fibers, they're entirely synthetic. This can be disappointing if you're looking for boar's hair bristles. The 5th product on our list is the SUBANG Car Cleaner Detailing Brush Set. This SUBANG Car Cleaner Detailing set of brushes is a truly complete and comprehensive set. It's far more than your standard car detailing brush set. It includes the vent and brushes, as well as a cleaning tool, as well as wire brushes designed for more difficult tasks. It's gentle enough to clean the majority of areas of the internal surfaces, and has additional tools to tackle those difficult places or mess. With 6 different sizes to pick from, you'll have the size you'll need for the job. Each brush is made of boar's hair bristles as well as wooden handles, and handles come with hooks for easy hanging. The tool for cleaning the vent is made from plastic, and wire brushes are made of bristles of wire as well as plastic handles. It's possible to clean everything from your seats all the way to your car's wheels, and even your dashboard. The only drawback that could be averted by this set of automobile detailing brushes. Some brushes might have problems with their quality, like bristles or heads breaking. But, the set is covered by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and if problems do occur, you'll be able to refer to it. So that sums of today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.